Hello, Ben. Hope your day is busy and successful. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In the screencast, I'm going to show you top 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, Midwest Pro Wash. Now, the first question is usually on to why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy tap plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, "I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me?" So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills that help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back when you chat. Or if you simply want to take this free tap plan and try it out yourself, you can do that too. Now, before you try to do it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I have to go over is your content. Now, in order for your business, or any business, to be optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And since your site is currently down, I'll be going over one of your competitors, Premier Pressure Clean. Now, they have a pretty good site, but in total, for comparison to competitor, they have about 635 words currently, and these words are filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable, right? This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And so you know a little more about keywords, I'll be going a little more into that as well. So I'm going to pull up this tool called Ahrefs, right? And every month people are searching for these certain keywords a number of time. And you see right here, organic keywords. Let me log back in. Alright, organic keywords, or just keywords, right? People search for these keywords inside Google, and this spits out all the analytics for each keyword. So volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, position. So the position really gives you an idea of how much traffic you're going to get from the volume. So if you're getting like 200 volume out of this pressure clean keyword being searched in Google, then 4.4 people will be going to your site since you're in the 8th position. Now if you're in the 1st position, you're going to get more people coming from your volume going to your site from this keyword, if that makes sense. Now KD deals with how hard it is to rank with linking it back to your site and whatnot. So KD, usually sticking to like a 0 to like a 7 is fine. That's like 3 to 5 backlinks from this using this keyword as an anchor text. So going a little more into like the keyword like section right here. So you see how they have a lot of like power wash in Kansas City. There's a lot of duplicates, probably because like different types of pictures linking back to it. Anyways, I didn't even click on that. So Kansas City Christmas, that's because he has a separate page linked back to that. So power wash in Kansas City power washing is another one you can use. KC power washing KC, if you get the gist, right? But now you know a little bit about what goes into a keyword and how it helps you rank your content easily and effectively. Let's go into your citations, which is the next optimization I like to talk about. And we call this thing the Google Map Pack or Maps. So I did a search for Kansas City power washing, right? It gets about 10 views a month. I feel like that's not right. But anyways, each tab is a business. So within each tab you have a name, you have the business name, business address, and a business phone number. And a website and directions if they have it. Well, this is called NAPs, name, address, phone numbers. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, first you have to get a website so you can link it back to Google My Business, right? Well, second, you want ratings. Ratings will definitely boost your authority and rank you up in Google Map Pack easier and more effectively. The second thing behind scenes that people usually don't figure out until they've gotten deep into business with Google is citations. So I did a search for Premier Pressure Clean, the business that we went over right here. And you can see they have about 18 citation sources, so that's really not that much. So this would be really easy to beat if you put some work into it. Well, each citation is a NAP, so name, address, phone number. And we can see you want at least double to triple the amount of citations so you start ranking in front of all your competitors. But these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, YouTube, Medium.com, Instagram. You take every single one of these and make them your own, just like he did. Well, this is the easiest way to get a citation. If you want to look up places to input into Google, that's also what you could do. I don't really recommend that because some of those aren't high authority like citations and won't rank you as well. Like this guy has 18 citation sources, but like what, 10 of which are being submitted. That's because he probably put them into like different directories that didn't really count with Google. Well, next thing I'd like to go over with you before I start running this too long is your backlinks. So with backlinks, we can go over to your organic listings. And within organic listings, you have ads in the top. You have your Google Maps or Map Pack. We just went over this with citations. And then right here, you have your organic listing. You have Premier Pressure Washing #1. You have Yelp. You have Blog. You have Power Wash KC, Wash Pros KC, and JTS Power Washing Pros. And keep going on, right? Now, this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice and Pro works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. But there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So, for example, if you were to have JTS Power Washing linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. You power wash. Well, if you're looking to use this tool I'm about to pull up, I pay about $100 a month. It's great for checking out any link juice that any sites may have to offer. Wink, wink. Anyway, let's go to their backlinks. And just to shorten it up a little bit, you can scroll all the way down and take every single one because you can see where the backlink is coming from, right? And where it's going to. Where the backlink is coming from and where they're going to. That's the simplest way I can put it. And you can put your anchor text right here, anchor text, and you see what they put for their anchor text so you can start ranking it. And that's pretty much the best way to get backlinks by yourself. So once again, right, we went over 3 things: content, citations, and link juice. For content, you want at least 1,500 words throughout your homepage so it can be optimized with Google. Now, any service pages or location pages, you want at least 700 to 1,000 so people can go in there and be optimized, right? If you want to start ranking that like a homepage so you can have multiple listings on a Google for a certain keyword, you can do 1,500 and backlink just like the same way you did with the homepage. Same places, same everything. Not anchor text though. You can change your keywords up a little bit per page. Well, citations was the next thing I'm going over. You want at least double or triple amount of citations that your competitor has so you can start beyond this first page of Google with the Google Map Pack and start bumping these guys all the way down so you can take their business. And lastly, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. No doubt about it. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do something on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, I might be following up with you here pretty soon. But just so you know, my number is 816-654-5822. I want you to have any questions ready if you need to, if you have any questions really. And once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Ben. You have a good one.